Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about finding the area of triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids using square centimeters and square meters. What is an area? Area is the number of square units needed to cover the surface of a plane figure. What plane figure is this? Yes, you are right. This is a parallelogram. A parallelogram has a base and a height. Find the area of this parallelogram with a base of 7 meters and a height of 5 meters. To find the area of a parallelogram, we're going to use this formula. Area is equal to base times height. So, let's substitute the values into our formula. The base is 7 meters and the height is 5 meters. So, let's multiply. 7 meters times 5 meters is equal to 35 square meters. We can use the unit of measurement like this or like this. Both of them read as square meters. If we're going to divide this parallelogram into two, what is the resulting shape? Yes, you are right. It is a triangle. Triangle is 1/2 parallelogram. What plane figure is this? Yes, you are right. This is a triangle. A triangle also has a base and a height. Find the area of this triangle with a base of 6 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So to find the area, we're going to use this formula. Area is equal to base times height. As we observe that base times height is the formula in finding the area of a parallelogram. Since triangle is 1/2 parallelogram, then we're going to divide the area of a parallelogram by 2. So this is the formula how we're going to find the area of a triangle. Area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So, let's substitute the values into our formula. The base is 6 centimeters. The height is 10 centimeters divided by 2. So, 6 centimeters times 10 centimeters is equal to 60 square centimeters. Divided by 2, the area is equal to 30 square centimeters. This is the area of this triangle. What plane figure is this? Alright, this is a trapezoid. A trapezoid has base 1 and base 2. Also, it has a height. Find the area of this trapezoid with the following dimensions. Base 1 is 8 meters. Base 2 is 12 meters and a height of 5 meters. To find the area, we're going to use this formula. Area is equal to base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times height. So let's substitute the values into our formula. Base 1 is 8 meters plus base 2, which is 12 meters. Divided by 2 times height, which is 5 meters. So let's solve. 8 meters plus 12 meters is equal to 20 meters. Divided by 2, the answer is equal to 10 meters. Just bring down 5 meters. Then we're going to multiply. 10 times 5 is equal to 50. Meters times meters is equal to square meters. This is the area of this trapezoid. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.